Hello YouTube, welcome to a review video of LEGO set 60073, a little service truck with a mobile toilet, Dixie we call them in Holland. I saw this set from the beginning. I really wanted it because it just looks fun and it's very handy for my workers on the railroad, that they can go to the toilet when they have to. So I saw this set and I really wanted it. Here in the back you can see what's possible and how to play with it, what the different options are with the crane and stuff. And I shall open it now. So, it consists of two bags, three bags, sorry, actually three. One instruction manual and some stickers. This one pretty thick manual, 82 pages, and well, I'm going to build it. Let's see how it looks. And this is the whole set done. It took me about 20 minutes to build. It was a nice build, especially the mobile toilet. The mobile toilet, nice building techniques. It makes a very efficient use of the limited space there is to build a complete toilet. Maybe I can show you. If you open it, you can see it's a complete toilet, even with toilet paper. That's very nice. Maybe this is how it looks from the side. As you can see, very smart use of building techniques. These are the two minifigures. This is the one driving the utility van, the utility truck. This is the worker. What's special about the worker is this headpiece. Normal, you can the headphones comes off. In this instance, this is one piece. The headphone doesn't come off. So I think that's new. I don't know. The truck itself, it's a very nice truck. Standard 6 wide, a little bit wider with the wheel arches. It has a crane in the back. I really like those new hinges, because then it stays upright. So when it doesn't fall down. You've got a lot of extra tools in the back. 2 gates. I think that's a fire extinguisher, a broom and a shovel. The roof comes off. You can try to fit 2 minifigures in there, but mostly there's just room for one because of the arms of the figures will get in the way. Of course, there's the red mug. Every worker in Legoland loves their coffee. What I don't like about this set is the many use of stickers. The whole set uses 19 stickers. As you can see, you got four in the front here. You've got the crane has 6. You've got 3 in the back. This is also a sticker. On the other side, the same. That I really don't like. For a small set as this one, then I think 19 stickers is a little bit too much. That's it. That is set 60073. All in all, it's a nice addition to my layout, and yeah, fun to build. Okay, that's the end. I'll see you in the next video.